In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use keyframes to make and extend videos on Luma AI. So first, you need to go to lumalabs.ai. So this is the official website of Luma AI. From here, simply click on Try Now and sign up for an account, or simply sign into your account. And as you can see right here, I generated a video from a text. So I said a kitten falling from a tree. And Luma AI has gone and generated me this video. So to use the keyframes and extend, as you can see, we have this extend option right here for this video. So click there. As you can see, I have created the start frame or start keyframe. And to add this video to the end frame, let's click again to extend. As you can see, now just type another prompt and click enter. And now your video will be extended. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.